Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. I've got a very busy day today, and it all starts with a whole lot of cleaning the kitchen because it just seems like, when you fix 3 meals a day, your kitchen stays messy. But today I am determined to get everything put away, get it cleaned, and just get it all caught up. So I really start with the dishes. I make sure that my kitchen sink is scrubbed out. I make sure that everything is dried and put away and the countertops are cleaned off. And it really helps in just making sure it's kind of really a good place for me to start. And once I see that my kitchen is really clean, it seems to motivate me to hit the rest of my daily chores. So a clean kitchen seems always to be the way to start for me. Where do you start when you clean your house? Do you start in your bedroom, your bathroom? Where is the area that you start in that seems to make you the most motivated? Usually you hear people say, I make my bed. But for me, I do make my bed, but that's not when I really feel like I totally get motivated. I am cleaning my dining room table off. And I'm refilling all of my K-cups because we ran out, and my parents were so nice to pick me up a new box when they were in town. Also going to make a big gallon of sweet tea. Are you guys sweet tea lovers? We are. And I'm going to wipe out the kitchen or the refrigerator, but it's not really dirty. I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of a spruce. I'm reloading a lot of drinks. You'll see me eventually restock all my water in there just to make sure that we have it. It is so hot. You have to have lots to drink. And of course, it's always laundry time, so I'm going to start by washing my sheets. And my husband is blind, and this is his coffee pot, and so I load it so that he can help himself at any point that he would like to have coffee. And now it's trash time. And now I noticed that I had a lot of caked on stuff on the front of my stove as well as my cabinet. And so I took some time to really give it a good nice scrub down because I noticed that right away. And now it's time to sweep. If there's one thing that I love about my old house, that is the floors. The hardwood flooring is one of the things that is so easy to upkeep, and I do think that it is the most prettiest feature inside this house. I'm using my spin mop along with Lavender Fabuloso. I love the way it smells when I clean with it. It definitely leaves the house smelling really nice and fresh. So I'm going over the kitchen floor. The thing that is awesome about a spin mop is definitely takes most of the moisture and dampness out of the mop so that when you are mopping, you're not mopping with a whole lot of water and you don't have to wring it out by hand. Do you remember those days, guys? You don't have to do that anymore. I don't miss that. And you can see my kitchen is clean. Oh, if I could only keep it this way all the time, I'd be super happy. But I love it. Nice and clean. Now I'm going to the bathroom. I am using the Dollar Tree's Duke for the method cleaner, and I think this one is berry scented. It smells really good. It's very effective. It's also very cost effective. And I'm just giving my bathroom a good wipe down. The mirrors, the sinks. I've got a little cabinet-like thing where I keep extra toilet paper and soap. I'm taking out the trash. Just really just sprucing up my bathroom. I'm going to sweep it, and then of course I'm going to mop it as well. I only wish I could go the speed that this video is going. And there's the bathroom, new towels. And I give a good spruce of, and a nice spray of Lysol. Now I have 2 loads of laundry that I have been putting off folding. And I'm going to get it done. I love watching myself fold laundry in fast speed. I think it is so funny. I had to get me a drink, and of course I made myself that sweet tea. And like I said, the weather here has been super, super hot. So you can't see my face in this clip, but I am sweating bullets. So now I am taking some more stuff out of the dryer, putting some stuff into the dryer, folding up a couple towels that go in there. And I noticed that I had some stains on my white couch, completely my fault. I dripped some coffee on the arm, and I noticed some dirt on the top of the couch here recently, and I was like, you know what? I have the time. I'm going to take all the covers off of this couch, and I'm just going to give it a good clean. So I treated the spots on my arm of my couch there, as you could see I was doing. I used the Shout Gel. It works really well. And then I'm going to load it. I load the main part of the couch cover, the big one, in first, and then I do the small covers in a second load so that it agitates well, and it always comes out spotless. So I'm sweeping my dining room, and as you can see here, I'm just giving a little bit of a dust to the things on the walls here in my coffee area. Those are my new pictures. Thanks, Dad. I love them. My dad has impeccable taste, guys. And I'm giving my floor a good mopping in here. And of course I mop often in my dining room, so I really didn't have to do a whole lot. Now I am paying attention to my bill organizer. Every time I pay a bill, I put it into my according file, and it got so full that I could not get any more bills in. And so I have this box. Yes, I'm aware that it's Christmas box, but I've got this box, and I decided to clean this out and put the bills into the box so that I would have room for the new ones. And it worked out really well, and so that took care of that. And it was just one of those tedious tasks that I've been putting off, and I'm glad that I got it done. Now let's see how many trips I can make up and down these stairs. If you all don't know, my house is a 3-story home, and it just requires a lot of going up and down stairs. But as I clean, I kind of put everything that goes upstairs over by the staircase, and then when I'm about done, I will run it all upstairs and put it away. And as you can tell, it's a good many trips up and down the stairs. Now my couch covers are clean, and I'm going to put this back on. I will tell you that this video shows this to be a lot easier than it is. It does take a few minutes. However, the outcome of it is so worth it because it looks so nice, clean and fresh. It smells fresh. I love this couch. If you're wondering where my couch came from, it came from IKEA. I love the fact that you can take it all apart and wash it. It is wonderful if you have pets, kids. You can also change the covers. They have different colors. They have different things that you can choose from. So, you know, if you might like this for spring, but you might not like this for winter, you know, so you could change out the colors. Now I'm putting the covers back on all the cushions. This is a fun task, and my arms were getting really tired at this point, but I knew that the outcome would be worth it. So I just kept plugging and getting the cushions covered, and I just love the way it looks when it gets done, and it's so fresh and clean. It just makes me very happy. Now I've got the bottom ones done, and now I'm going to do the top. And I think I knocked some stuff off my coffee table and had to fetch it there. This is a little bit of a time-consuming job, which in fast speed makes it look a whole lot easier than it actually is. But like I said, it's one of those jobs when you get done, you feel successful and it looks great. I always put this blanket on the bottom of my couch just to kind of give my couch a little bit more protection from spills or anything. So my day is winding down and my husband and I are going to have a movie night. These are my homemade frozen pizzas. You guys probably have seen the videos. I am making frozen pizza, and then I just brush the crust with a little bit of butter and garlic, and I bake those till they're nice and golden brown. And now we're having some popcorn. There's my pizza, my popcorn, my plate, and we're going to watch a movie. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. I hope it motivates you. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.